Hello. Basically, today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of C++. Alright, now I will explain to you what all of this means. Alright, so let's start from scratch. Alright, basically in C++, regular C, I'm using dev C++, bloodshed dev C++. But it also compiles C files, just regular C, because C and C++ are two different languages. And if you learn to use C++, like just the basics, you can understand C a lot easier, or vice versa. Now basically, what this is these two slashes represent, you just can, the programmer is taking notes, like, if I put hello there, then that's not going to do anything to the program, that just is telling the programmer, like, what, like, making a note, basically, that does not affect the script at all. Now, if we go right here and put hash and include something like this, greater than sign, stdio.h, I call it studio h. This is basically where C has libraries, and this is just for if you're putting basic scripts in, like basic code. I mean, eventually you can use stuff like structs, time structs and stuff if you want to make time scripts, but I think that's stupid. Well, for this, yeah, whatever. This, alright, so once you put that, you want to go down. It doesn't really matter, like, how many, if I go all the way down here and start the script, or if I start it from right here. But I like to put a little bit of space in between because it makes it look less, choppy. Well, it makes it look more clean. This right here is int main, integer main, well, I call it int main, with two parentheses. Basically in here you can write, like, there's a lot of argument stuff in here, but, that's just for more advanced stuff. This is just basic. This basically is defining the integer main. This is basically where your script is going to start. Alright, now you go down one. You make this curly bracket pointing this way, like it's open right here. Then I go down one. Oh yeah, this basically says that, this is where script is starting, alright. And so we're just making a basic program. You see this in beginning programs a lot. They say hello world. So I'm gonna put printf. This means that this is going to show up on the screen. So we'll put printf parenthesis quotation mark to say that this is where we're gonna start speaking. And put hello world. Then after that, say we're done. We don't put this immediately after. I mean, you can if you want, but I do this. This is what most people do. It's not this slash by the shift button. It's this slash backward slash toward, put right below the backspace, and you put n. This stands for basically create a new line. This won't show up in the program like on the screen. This is just telling the program to make a new line. Then we put that, show that it's done. Oh, oops. Put shift, then you put that. Then you want to put put this to show that we're done with that. Then you put this, I think it's called a semicolon, but it's like that period with the comma below it. I don't remember what that is called. You put that at the end of most of your lines inside your script to show that you're done writing this function. Then you want to hit enter again, and so we're basically done with the program, so we gotta add a few stuff. Now sometimes people say, then after you finish that, just put return 0. well, you don't really want to do that just yet. You want to put get char parenthesis semicolon, or whatever that's called. This basically is making it to where, you know, it's going to keep the program open. Because if you didn't have this, the program would just flash really quick and then it'd be gone. Alright, so then after that, we put return 0. And this means that if the program is successful, it will return 0. Then we hit enter again, put our curly bracket thing pointing this way to show that we are done with this whole script. So then, hopefully I've got it all right, because I haven't done this in a while. If I compile it, it's compiling it right now. Okay, it says done. There are no errors. If we do have an error, say I take this away, and I compile it, it'll show me I have an error right here, but that's really because I didn't put the semicolon to show this ended. So, it's compiling, it's done. Now we're gonna hit run. It says, hello world. Oh, it's telling me that this is a suspicious program, probably because I made it. No, don't do that. No, it's got that red box around it. Now it says hello world instead of this thing being right. Oh, whoops, I did it. I clicked it. Instead of this little thing being right here with that new line, it comes right down here. So that's just your basics on like some C. I would teach C++, but I haven't done it in a while, so I can't really remember that much of it. But yeah, so I will see you guys later. That was not a reference to CNN or something. No, no.